good, YouTube? It's srt.javanti, and welcome to my first video. In this video, you're going to see me take delivery of my 2021 wide-body Charger, and you're going to see a couple clips of me at the dealership taking delivery. And I was excited and nervous because this is my first car that I worked hard to be able to get my dream car, and it was a special day to be able to afford this car at a young age. But further ado, let's get into it.
Quicker than expected.
Yeah, so I guess this is yours.
What's good, y'all? I just picked up my 2021 Dodge Charger Scatpack wide body, smoke so color with the red interior. Jeez, driving this on the road, a big difference from the other cars I've been driving. And this is my first car too that I just bought. I'm about to take this coon sticker off.
You want me to pull it off?
Yeah, pull it
Yeah,
off.
I know y'all probably in the comments like, yep, this gotta go. Exactly, first mod. This gotta go. If there's any residue, we're gonna go back and clean it, or the car still needs to be washed, so that's better. We got this ugly crown on there.
And we about to take off the shipment guard that comes on the car. That definitely got it. That definitely got to go.
The pink lip injections, that gotta go.
Yep, definitely got to go.
Hey, how old you are, Javante?
20.
20. He just got his 2021 Dodge Charger wide body Scatpack. What is underneath there?
Bunch of clips and bolts.
So you gotta remove the clips and the bolts to get the whole lip off.
Yep.
I say they got some padding for
protect it from scratches
and stuff. To be removed at dealership.
There's a 4 on each side, it's an 8.
Possibly. I didn't know the guard goes all the way down here.
Yeah, I didn't know.
I didn't know it goes all the way back here. It's
8 or 9.
It goes all the way back here. So I kind of see why some people leave it on the car, but then again, it's pink, so it's gotta go. You can go ahead and loosen it up. What size is that?
This is 7mm.
7mm?
Yep.
You wanna start loosening them up?
Yep.
Already got one. Loosening by hand. He's doing the other one. Looks like these. Oh, just like that. Go ahead, man. It's clean underneath there, good?
No, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Got a little bit of debris.
I got some debris.
Yep.
That's how it looks now.
Way more clean without it.
Oh yeah, definitely look aggressive. Yeah, that's a big difference. It looks cleaner, right?
Yep.
Those 8 screws gotta go in a little wider holes right there. So he's putting them in, and then the 4 clips go back in.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. I am excited to show you the journey of my 21 Scatpack, and I want to motivate you and inspire you guys to work hard and grind for the car you want, just like I did. But this is the end of the video. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, because we're only going up from here. Peace.